Hi, my name is Esther Irawati Setiawan. I'm a Google Developer Expert Machine Learning and also Cloud Champion Innovator in AI and ML. My journey with Google started from 2012 when I created Android apps with Google technology, and after that I had hosted an Android hackathon in 2012. During this hackathon, we met a lot of developers and we finally started Google Teknologi User Group Surabaya. And during those years, we always had events together in the community. I'm also an associate professor at ISTTS, Institut Sains and Teknologi Terpadu Surabaya. And during my teaching, I also taught about Google technology. And in the process, I learned that there are so many Google technology that can support us developers. Last year, I joined Women Developer Academy, where I learned about public speaking and how to do presentation. And finally, I applied as a Google Developer Expert Machine Learning. And now I'm the only woman Google Developer Expert Machine Learning in Indonesia. And I hope I can continually share Google technology in the future.